What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check out where we are. As promised, we are back at Hamad's house. We're going to take a look at his C6 Corvette. The thing is supposed to be crazy, but we're here to do some trial and error. So this thing is going to get tuned and cammed very soon, but I want to get a look at it before he actually does that. So we're going to take it for a quick spin, see what the thing can do, hear what it sounds like, and see what the after sounds like. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so we arrived to the undisclosed location, got the 360 mounted up. Take a look at this thing, guys, before we get going here. The paint on this car is absolutely sick. But like I said, my buddy's looking to get rid of these tires, so it's time to say goodbye to those things. Take a look at this color. I absolutely love it. Again, this is the Grand Sport. And yeah, let's see what this thing can do here. All right. So again, sounds decent, but it's gonna sound much better here in the next few days, guys. Let's see what this thing can really do. It is spin time, class boys. Let's go. That's our cue to go. Let's get out of here. Hurry. All right, I'm gonna mess with him. I'm gonna say I wasn't recording. Let's see what he says here. Hold on. Oh my goodness, dude, I wasn't recording. I think you saw that one coming. That was nuts. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Unfortunately, the rain kind of ruined what we had planned, but we got what we could for you guys. We called it research and development because we wanted to see what the car sounds like before the tune and the cam. But we will be back to see what this beast sounds like in a week or so once the work is done. But again, huge thank you to my buddy Hamad. I had a blast shooting that. Make sure you guys follow his Instagram in the description box below. Guys, don't forget, don't be average. Don't do it. Don't be average. Let's go.